Hello, we're heading over to Wenchang to cover the Tianzhou-6 cargo spacecraft launch live in person, and we're thinking about taking you guys along for a ride. Let's get this! It's 7:30 p.m. We arrived at Wenchang Spacecraft Launch Site, and check out over there. It is the place for media people like us to film, and it's quite crowded here, isn't it? And look over there. The Launch 7 rockets carrying the Tianzhou-6 cargo spacecraft will lift up soon. Everybody here has already found the best spot to watch and film, and we are getting more excited.
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1，点火！
The Launch 7 rocket is carrying the Tianzhou-6 cargo spacecraft and on the way to send supplies to the China's space station and astronauts.
从2017年开始，我们的第一艘这个货运飞船天舟1号就是在我们的文昌发射场升空的。然后现在其实6年已经过去了，那么现在从1到6，我们的这个飞船成长了特别多，那也见证着我们的中国从原来的这个实验室，一直到中国空间站的这样的一个蜕变和发展。
文昌发射场它是沿海发射场，落区控制上比较好，而且它的纬度比较低，纬度低的发射场能够占到地球自转的一个好处。我们还要继续发射货运飞船，为航天员运送物资和实验器材。
这发任务的话，是我们中国空间站转入到运营与发展阶段的这个第一次发射，也是为后续的神舟16发射打下一个基础。
The Tianzhou-6 cargo spacecraft successfully launched into space, and everyone here contributed a lot to this mission, and they are smiling, cheering up for this big success.